Tesla just shut down one of its most iconic production lines, not for a new car, for a robot. The Model S, the Model X, both halted. The entire Fremont line is being gutted and rebuilt in 120 days. This is Optimus, and what Tesla is attempting has never been done before in manufacturing history. 10,000 components, one robot, a target price cheaper than a car, $20,000. Start with the hand. 22 degrees of freedom, double the previous version. Cables that mimic human tendons. The heavy actuator motors move to the forearm. This keeps the hand light, fast, and insanely precise. Every module is plug and play. Engineers test each arm in total isolation before it ever touches the body. The legs come next. High-torque actuators, planetary roller screws. Each leg is a fully independent unit. Before a single wire is connected, Tesla runs pure mechanical balance tests. No electricity, just physics. The engineers observe the center of gravity readings in real stability before any power is applied. Joints account for 35% of the total cost, so every single one is calibrated at the component level first. Then comes the torso, the command center, AI supercomputer, battery, power grid, all sealed inside the chest. This is the moment a mechanical skeleton becomes a thinking machine. Billions of calculations per second. Finally, the head. Pure camera vision. No radar, no lidar. The same philosophy Tesla used in its cars. Vision is calibrated against the robot's exact height and arm span. Then it's ready for the real world. Here's what surprises everyone. Most of this is still done by hand. Tesla isn't rushing to automate the factory yet.
Musk's logic? Every robot built is a data point. Design is changing daily. Speed of learning beats speed of output.
The gap between now and the vision is brutal. Early units do 8 dance routines. The goal is brain surgery. In January 2025, Musk promised 10,000 robots that year. By 2026, he admitted none were meaningfully useful. But the infrastructure is real. A second Optimus factory is rising at Giga, Texas, targeting production by summer 2027. And Tesla is not alone. Boston Dynamics, Figure AI, Agility Robotics, all shipping robots into real factories right now. Boston Dynamics plans 30,000 Atlas units a year. Figure AI is valued at $39 billion. The race is on. But robot joints demand far tighter precision than automotive parts. The engineering bar is completely different. Tesla's response? A $25 billion capital expenditure plan for 2026. Nearly triple its previous annual spending. Behind the scenes, Chinese suppliers are mobilizing. The same firms that scaled EV parts are now pivoting to robot joints. For context, Amazon is spending $200 billion on AI this year. Google, $185 billion. This is a full technological arms race. Tesla's 2026 output target ranges from 50,000 to 150,000 units. That's a 3-to-1 swing, and suppliers are betting on the high end. If orders slow, the damage cascades. Key suppliers already depend on Tesla for a dominant share of their revenue. As Tesla eyes North American production, local suppliers could reclaim market share, forcing Chinese firms to set up local plants fast. The vision, 10 million robots doing gardening, construction, car repair, surgery, is staggering if it lands. Tesla isn't just building a robot. It's betting that whoever wins the humanoid race rewrites the entire future of human labor.